All right, we're gonna do a Prizm Blaster for Alex, Warriors fan. Good luck, man. Come on, Jerebko autograph. Oh, he's not on Pistons or Warriors anymore. Is he on Warriors? I forget what team he's on now. You've been having some luck lately, maybe. You never know. I know I'm throwing the throwback names in here. All right, we got Lonnie Walker. Silver is Andre Drummond. Jersey is Andre Drummond. Jersey. Silver is Evan Fournier. We got George Gervin. And Bill Russell. That is the blaster. All right, thanks again, Alex. Appreciate it. Peace.